KimTownselYouTube here. Let me share with you about my Twinkle light. This is what my windows looked like before putting up the fairy lights. And light up your life. String lights. Flexible LED lights. Designed with long-lasting LEDs for hours and hours of use. Perfect for use in party, birthday, wedding, celebrations, and more. I got the kind with electrical outlet because I have an electrical outlet right by the window. As a matter of fact, that's how I actually destroyed the other ones. I rocked over the cord and broke it. It was no fault of the lights. It was my error. And these are the cool white lights, I believe. Check in the text below and also in the pinned comment. I will provide a link for you to purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. Anchor outlet extender is really helpful. I have them all over my house. And the lights work. I wanted a cool white light. That's what I have. I'm going to continue to unwrap these. It's going to take me a while, but it's not going to be exciting to unwrap it. I'm going to continue to unwrap these, but not film it. It'll be kind of boring, but I'm going to see how much I have to go across my window. There were no instructions in the box. There's a button here. I do believe I can control it by pressing the button, so we'll play with that. Looks like if I press it, I get just a soft twinkling, which is what I really prefer. I can press it again and get a flowy twinkle. It's a little bit slower. Press it again, and I get a random twinkle that's kind of fast. Kind of a high energy vibe there. And I think I'm going to go for, well, here's a slow change. I don't know how many different modes it has. I just want them to stay on and not flash all the time. I guess this is my mode. Just a gentle little twinkle. Let's check out some of the modes in dark. Check in the text below and also in the pinned comment. I will provide a link for you to purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. This is the one I prefer for this room because it's a sleeping room. Just constant on with a slight twinkle. I'm satisfied. Thanks for watching my video. If you have time before you go watch another video, give this one a thumbs up and subscribe if you like. Until next time, let's just keep the world a brighter place. Bye.